Hi, my name is Emma Biebighauser. I am a junior intercultural studies major, and I'm so excited to show you Mayfield Dormitory. Mayfield is the all-girls dorm here at JBU, and there's multiple different aspects about Mayfield. It's closer to the center of campus, so closer to our cathedral, our Soderquist Business Center, as well as our Honors Center. Another interesting aspect about Mayfield is that it's actually divided into 3 sections. We have our old section, mid-section, and new section. The names mean nothing. They were all renovated at the same time. It's just a way to help distinguish which side of the hall you're living on. Welcome to Down New. This is one of the freshman halls in Mayfield. So this is one of the 2-person rooms in Down New. So as you can see, there's 2 sets of everything. There's 2 sets of desks, drawers, bookshelves, closets, beds, different types of bookcases. Really, it's just up to your imagination, however you'd like to decorate and rearrange the room. Mayfield also has a really sweet basement, and I think it's actually pretty cool, so let's go check it out. This is a really great space to have lots of different parties or hang out with friends. One interesting aspect about the basement is that you could actually reserve this whole space for you and your friend. Welcome to one of the 2 kitchens in Mayfield. We have another one upstairs as well. It has all the amenities that you need so that you can make those late night cookies. This is also the Mayfield gym. We are the only dorm on campus that has a gym, and it is really, really sweet. It's really nice to just walk down the stairs, come to the gym in the basement, and work out. Right here is the laundry room. It's a really great space to do your laundry, and what's really nice is that you can actually fit a full load into both the washers and dryers. This is the computer lab. It is a really great space if your computer is broken or if you do not have one. And we also have a printer for your convenience. This is another room off to the side of the computer lab, and it's a really great space if you want someplace quiet but big and open to do group projects or to do individual study. Welcome to the Mayfield Breezeway. It is a really great space to study, and it's just a really great place to hang out with friends or do anything like that. On the 2nd floor, we have a conference room that is really great for group projects for all academic areas in JBU. Here we have the Mayfield Courtyard. This is a really great space to relax, hang out with friends, and get outside in the afternoons. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Mayfield, and I hope to see you again soon.